Hi, my name is Donica O'Malley, and I am a doctoral student in the Department of Communication. My research focuses on the areas of media and culture. My primary interests are the ways in which people discuss and interpret social categories, such as gender and race, through popular culture texts. Coursework in the area of media and culture has both provided me with a strong theoretical background from which to consider these issues, as well as a space in which to learn research methodologies, workshop ideas, and improve academic writing. Faculty members in the department are supportive of each student's individual interests and structure courses in a way that allows for development of our own research. For instance, in a course entitled Political Economy and/or versus Cultural Studies, I looked at the ways in which a group of women discussed and challenged issues of race, beauty ideals, and identity on a makeup review website. And in a class on food media, I studied popular cupcake television shows and their role in constructing femininity through discourses of gendered labor and consumption. Rarely have I written a paper solely for a class and left it there. Faculty members have been incredibly helpful in taking work produced during seminars and working with me to move it forward to contribute to other projects. In fact, much of my coursework in classes such as Visualizing Popular Culture has led directly to the development of my dissertation. My dissertation looks at the recent proliferation of media content focused on gingers, or people with red hair, light skin, and freckles, and the subsequent bullying, gender stereotypes, and discourses around physical appearance, race, and ethnicity that have arisen as a result of it. Although my research focuses primarily on media and culture, I've also benefited from the other areas of faculty expertise in our department. For instance, one part of my dissertation focuses on the identification of a so-called ginger gene and the ways in which both medical and popular news sources report on this finding. Being able to work with faculty who specialize in the area of rhetoric of science has been incredibly helpful for developing this part of my project. In addition, other courses such as digital rhetoric, the rhetoric of human rights, and theories of power and knowledge have all influenced the perspective I take towards my research. Some of the greatest benefits to studying in this department are the strong relationships that the department, its students, and faculty have with the graduate certificate programs. In addition to my degree in communication, I am also pursuing certificates in cultural studies and in gender, sexuality, and women's studies. Because so many of our faculty in our department cross-list their courses with these programs, it was manageable for me to complete all course requirements within 2.5 years. Courses like Children in Media and Theories of Gender and Sexuality introduced me to new areas of scholarship that have influenced my research. Students from other departments also routinely take courses in the communication department. My work has been greatly enriched by the interdisciplinary conversations I've had with graduate students and faculty in these settings. During my time here, I've also been able to teach in the area of media and culture, amongst other courses. In my first year, I was a teaching assistant for 2 large lecture courses of mass communication process. I was able to observe experienced faculty and learn from their teaching while leading discussion in small weekly recitation sections. During my second year, I had the opportunity to teach my own version of this course, for which I developed an original syllabus. By studying in the area of media and culture here in the Department of Communication, I have had the opportunity to develop my own work among supportive and engaging faculty and peers, all of who are doing exciting and important research, as well as take advantage of the many resources available from the wider University of Pittsburgh community.